Welcome once again, Shiba Inu community, Shiba Inu holders, and let's talk about Shiba Inu once again. Now, why you need 50 million coins of Shiba Inu tokens. Now remember that Shiba Inu currently is ranked number 14 crypto coins with the highest market cap of 6.3 billion cap. Now Shiba Inu is now trading with about 4 zeros. Now at the time of recording this, you need about $580 in order to buy 50 million coins of Shiba Inu tokens. Now imagine Shiba Inu deleting just 1 zero. How much will you be making? Of course, you'll be making about $5,700 already. That is about $5,200 profit. Now you all know that Shiba Inu can actually delete a zero. Of course, everybody is expecting Shiba Inu to delete 1 or 2 zeros in the nearest future. Now Shiba Inu deleting 2 zeros. Remember, Shiba Inu have about 4 zeros at the time of recording it. Now, deleting 50%, deleting half of these zeros simply means your $580 will be worth about $58,900. Let's say $59,000. That is amazing. To see Shiba Inu deleting 2 zeros, you'll be making about $59,000. And remember, our initial investment is $580. That is about $58,500 or $420. Yes. That is a lot of profit. I don't see that any financial institution that can return such profit. Okay, I don't think there's any other investment that can also return such profit within a short period of time. Now, Shiba Inu, there's a possibility Shiba Inu can hit 1 cent, 1 penny. Shiba Inu just need to delete 3 zeros in order to reach 1 cent. What's the possibility? Oh yes, there's a possibility Shiba Inu can reach that level, but this is going to take a lot of time. That is the truth. Shiba Inu hitting 1 cent is going to take a lot of time. That is why in crypto industry, you can see some people buy coins and they become multi-millionaires or multi-billionaires after 8 years, 10 years. So crypto industry is an investment of patience. Okay, now Shiba Inu hitting 1 cent is possible for in future. I don't know, maybe 2025, 2027 or 2030. That's about in the next 7 years. If Shiba Inu hitting 1 cent and you invested $580 buying 50 million coins of Shiba Inu, your money will be worth about $500,000. That is $500,000. Okay, wow, that is a whole shit. Oh God, I can't wait to make such amount of money with crypto industry. Remember, Shiba Inu have already created a lot of millionaires, and there's a possibility this coin can also create more millionaires, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. Okay, now Shiba Inu just need to hit 1 cent, delete 3 zeros, and you'll be making about $500,000 with an investment of $580. But remember that you can invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, that is the golden rule. This is crypto industry where anything can happen. I advise those who follow me to say, look, you don't need to make the whole money. You don't need to wait to make $1 million in crypto industry. Crypto industry is, take it as a business, trade it well, and believe me, you don't need to wait. That, believe me, if you know you want to wait for a particular coin for years, just invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest a huge amount that you might not be able to wait even when that coin is dropping. So some coins will drop, and for the next few years you see that those coins are rising back again. Like Bitcoin, of course, in the past BTC have actually dropped. You see BTC hitting back. BTC have actually hit $7,000. We also Bitcoin dropped down to 15,000 plus. And that is surprised to see Bitcoin hitting about $80,000 or $100,000 in future. That is crypto industry for you. So invest what you can afford to lose. That is the golden rule. So for me, I think Shiba Inu is one of the best coins. Shiba Inu is one of the best coin to invest for a long project, for a long period of time. But like I always say, invest what you can afford to lose. Now Shiba Inu deleting 1020 is possible, but in the next few months or 1 year or 2 years. But just have it in mind that let Shiba Inu just delete a zero, because deleting a zero, you're already making about $5,200 profit with an investment of $580. So even if you have just $100 investment or $50 investment, you must still be making $500 or $1,000 once Shiba Inu deletes zero. And there's a possibility this coin is heading towards deleting zero. And let's hope to see this year becomes a bullish year for crypto industry. Let's hope to see this year becomes one of the best year for crypto industry, because last year we also saw a bearish year, and I hope this year becomes a bullish year for all of us. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.